In today's tutorial, I want to tell you how to sharpen your pencil the right way, the way all professional artists do. You may hear this everywhere, people saying you should always keep the tip of your pencil sharp while drawing. Sharpening the pencil the right way would really enhance your art. With such a pencil, you have no control and you shade inconsistently. So let me show you a better way to do this. All you need is a blade or a cutter and the sandpaper. Hold the pencil in your hand like this with your left hand and hold the cutter with the right hand. And place it below the tip of your pencil. Pull out the cutter blade. Place your thumb here and your index finger right here under the pencil. Start by placing the blade far back almost horizontally to the pencil. Then with your thumb, start gently, apply pressure and pushing the blade and removing very thin pieces to protect your pencil from breaking and to cut the wood piece by piece. Gently remove the wooden part from the pencil core so the graphite won't break. Make sure the pieces are thin enough that they curve as you slide the blade. Also keep rotating the pencil to remove the wood evenly. Instead of moving the right hand to move the cutter, push the cutter forward with your left hand's thumb. Until you expose about 1 centimeter of the graphite. And rub the cutter on the graphite area to make it smooth and uniform. Then get the sandpaper and place it on the edge of a surface so you can lay the pencil almost horizontally. Keep rotating and rubbing it against the surface until it looks like this. Lastly, sand the tip of your pencil so it's not sharp and it looks like a bullet. With such a pencil, you shade faster with a consistent value and also achieve a variety of line thicknesses. Okay, let's compare these two. I create some strokes with this pencil with wider tip. This graphite pencil has less coverage and the empty pores of the paper surface are not filled well, and the shadows look grainy. But when you shade with the sharp tip of the pencil, the pores of the paper are filled much better and the shadows are uniform. I should remind you that there is no obligation to do this. You can sharpen your pencil with a sharpener or any method that is more convenient for you. This one may be suitable for general shading in some drawings, but not for sketching in details. You can have a better line quality with this pencil. You can add finer details in some specific areas in your drawing. You can also sharpen your colored pencils the same way. If you're using this sharpening method for the first time, try it on a regular, cheaper pencil so that you don't ruin your drawing pencil. One more trick. You can keep the powder and use it later. Try it and tell me what you think. Thanks for watching. See you soon, guys.